Welcome to another video on my fragrance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on Rasasi Hawas Ice. Probably the best summer fragrance that I have in my collection. Before we get into that, I would like to ask, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. And I'd love to see this channel grow and for us to grow as a community. Shout out to all the OGs that sub from these videos, these early videos. I won't forget y'all. But yeah, Rasasi Hawas Ice. Now this is a very interesting fragrance in my opinion. The first thing is the price is pretty inconsistent. I've seen this go from 40 to 90, 100 bucks. But you can normally get it for, I think it's running about 70 bucks right now on Amazon. So if you like this review and it kind of sways you to one side, go ahead and cop. I think, me personally, I think it's worth it. I got it for cheaper, but I definitely think it's worth the 70 bucks that you can pay for it. First of all, the bottle is very nice. It's nice and hefty. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic. The cap is heavy. There's no spill or leakage in the cap. Goes on there pretty nice, and it's a nice bottle look. It's very aesthetic. But yeah, Rasasi is a very reputable brand, a Middle Eastern brand for doing cheaper fragrances, but this is definitely one that you're gonna have to check out. We'll get an atomizer test going on. Whew. Okay, so it's not quite a pressurized atomizer, but it's definitely a very good atomizer. I love this. I got it probably a month and a half ago, and I've used that much. The only other one that I've used more than this is Nautica Midnight Voyage, and I've used most of this. But you get very bright citrus in the opening. It reminds me of a blue raspberry mint bubblegum, and you kind of have that distinct smell all the way through. Also, my room is going to smell like Rasasi Hawas Ice until tomorrow. This has great longevity, and it is the sillage on it and the projections very good. It is quite strong, so whenever I spread it, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. But and it lasts me about 8, 10, 12 hours. It shines in the heat for sure. In the undertones and the bass notes and the dry down, you get not only those citruses, but you get the woods and the more masculine pieces of this fragrance's puzzle. And I think that it does it very well with giving that bright citrusy touch, but also having that earthy woody undertones. And I think that this makes it very masculine. It's a more masculine citrus scent, and I think that pretty much any age group could get away with this though. It smells like the original hawas, but just a little bit of tweaks. I think, me personally, I've smelled the regular Rasasi Hawas. I think that this is 100% better. Not just the smell, but the bottle and everything like that. But I will definitely be purchasing another one of these whenever I run out, because I will definitely be using this a lot this summer. Also, yes, it is summer. I'm just wearing a hoodie and beanie because it is extremely cold in my room. But yeah, this is a extremely good fragrance. And if you're on a budget, you want a very reliable, long-lasting summer scent, this would be a great option. And my 1 to 10 rating, I would probably give this about a 7.5 to an 8. So yeah, that does it for this review for Rasasi Hawas Ice. Let me know what other fragrances you guys want me to review in the comments, and let me know your guys' favorite summer fragrances. I'll see y'all later. Keep smelling amazing.